I'm Ralf Wagner. I'm the business line leader for data-driven manufacturing in Siemens Digital Industry Software. Manufacturing customers around the world face the challenges of constant increase of productivity, keeping their costs under control, and they want to get to the next level of productivity and S-curve in order to improve their manufacturing operations. Data is one of the most underutilized assets which manufacturing companies have. So a typical customer journey to make more use out of their operational manufacturing data is they start to connect their physical assets and get data visualized and make it transparent and explorable and get access to something that is already sitting there on the shop floor but not being utilized today. I hear so many times, if I only would have known that. Then customers say, oh, Siemens, what can I do more with that data? And we say, you can contextualize, you can use AI, you can get to the next level of insight based on your manufacturing data when you use Insights Hub and data-driven manufacturing approaches. Data-driven manufacturing is like digital transformation, a journey. You will not get to the value overnight. You have to first get to the physical connectivity, then you have the data, and with every use case you add, you get more transparency about what is happening on your shop floor, leveraging that data. Then the next level is technology, enabling you to get deeper insights in that data. So we are implementing generative AI technologies which enable you to talk to your data with the chatbot technology, which everybody knows from ChatGPT and other solutions out there, even in the consumer space. So with solutions like quality prediction, we're using AI, but AI not for a data scientist, AI for the machine operator, for the production engineer, with a very guided process like a wizard, step by step guiding him to generate the AI model, which is then running in the background. So making that innovative technology available for the OT, for the operation and the production people. Just imagine a customer who is using industrial IoT and data-driven manufacturing, monitoring critical assets. And the critical asset is showing an anomaly in vibration yesterday afternoon. But imagine you don't have only the vibration data from the asset, but you have also the data from your MES system and you correlate the two things. And see, oh, what I do right now, I use a material from a different supplier, and every time I use that material from a different supplier on that machine, I get a vibration pattern which is looking abnormal. You have identified the root cause not being the machine but the material, because you have the supplier information contextualized with the data from your IoT system. We talked about the benefits of data-driven manufacturing, but how much effort does it actually mean to get to that kind of value? Is it weeks, months, quarters, years? And I have to say it's pretty fast because it's software as a service. It's managed by Siemens. You don't need to go into the basement and install in every location you have a piece of software and maintain and update it. We have a top-tier automotive supplier who decided for Insights Hub and Energy Management as their sustainability solution. They created a blueprint for how to connect the different sites. They remotely educated their teams. They connected more than 70 sites in less than 6 months and ramped up their sustainability controlling, which is ISO 50001 compliant. When you have an alert coming from a machine which is ABFAC COM problem, you typically have no idea what that means. So we are working on a production copilot. You right-click with the mouse on that error message and you say, ask the copilot. The chat window opens and it gives you the description of the error message. It gives you the description of what you typically do in order to cope with that error. It also invites you to have an additional conversation with your system, with your data-driven manufacturing solution. So you can ask the chatbot, is there something you see in my data which is having maybe a trend or a correlation which I should take care of? And the chatbot is then going in the background to the AI and analyzing the data and trends, and they can see things which you never would see with your eyes looking at the dashboard. A very slow trend in decreasing of temperature or a very slow decrease in energy consumption, which might indicate another problem. And you have that kind of dialogue and you get more and more insights with generative AI and the production copilot going forward. companies who actually take advantage of data in their operations will have a big impact on their decision-making capabilities. Improve productivity, lower their cost, increase quality, flexibility, and also help them to actually achieve their sustainability goals.